Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. I will not have anyone call me Glenn Lewis today, Skuma. Not at all.
Hi, Glenn, during the week. Fedebra Bobby.
All right.
I'm Glenn Mamadule. Live and confusing.
How was Durban?
Hey, yeah, bro, Bob, I'm happy. Durban was awesome. First show was sold out.
All right.
Nice one. Friday, Saturday, it had 2 shows. People came out at 6 p.m. to watch me at 6 p.m. at Durban. That's never happened before. 70%. And then the last show, 8:30, I had about 90% of the people. And the last show was amazing. I wish I recorded the last show. Because I think I was on steroids. Because Begno Sarafin showing you. Sarafin. I don't know her real name is Sarafin. I'm for me in the how? Tearing Sarafin. Sarafin was there. It's a crocodile. Started asking you stupid questions, Sarafin. But she's upans, you know, she's about hi, it's confusing. I think also count to act. Yes. Dala let the appellant parafin go hopi Kolbeck. Movie Kolbeck. Hopi Kolbeck for a winner competition as Zimbabwe. Hi, Mama Mobi Sham Hopi. Hi, Hopi. Hi, Hopi, I get right. Mala threats. Hopi. Where's Mama skip Hopi Vuxen? Matala. Hopi, Oscar de la Hoya. Hopi. It's called Mama Hopi. Hi, Bengo Sarafina. Serafina. Something like that.
She's aging very well.
She is. She's aging. I think she's 66, but she looks.
You think she's what?
Phela mangibukela Sarafina bengina 5. Xa uthi Sarafina sasekhathuna ngakho la lelethi. Amdala yena mara yamuthi ayena igogile. Uza noma umhaga wena uyazi unuka amadumu la.
Oh my goodness.
Uthi hey Sarah. Mdala la sisi mdala namakhohlela ake
I'm school man. No.
Ngithi Sarah.
Yazi ukukabani?
Kugabani.
Correct Maloka. Birthday. That's a birthday boy right there.
Poza lama poza.
Isn't just a game.
Isn't just a game. Hi. Phela bayathanda mama anamembe bathi bametheneti dressing. Phela bayathanda ngazi. Kanti awasenzani kanti awasenzani bafethu wayini ingozi elazihembela ka Greg makalwashile imeli yakhe nokwashine uzitha Greg untswembo ngekhethini kanti hayi amahembe ka Grootman hayi iphethe ihembe ngeke kubenze nisihembe la muntu Gregisto hayi iphethe ihembe Malinga kaya mo don't shit I am 17. Look at kicking a sheet. I keep him. That's why it's going to stay soft. Craig Gisto. I'm going to attack in Ukraine. I attack in Kalakata. Because I go show in Koga in namhlanje. You shitty lentori. And you made a tennis look. Go, just go. Sweetie, you look amazing. Yabangela. Hola boyfriend. But they are cracking so vandag. Enjoy life. So, phela don't forget him don't touch. Why athanda ukugqoka ngathi akakho ready. Uyamazi ucrack ubheke athi hembe don't touch you. Kanti kushoniwe na already. Uzalela ntwana. Awuzazi lezi zinto lezi style. Yashisa. Crackister.
Anyway, we had kids from your hood come in and sing him happy birthday. Listen to this.
Hi, my name is Tumba Muti. Itule. Marangazi part A half.
Hello.
And you're listening to Kaya FM 95.9. This next song is one of the best songs ever recorded. It's Adele, Hello. I must call you 1,000 times. Sorry for breaking your heart. Hello. My name is Okatom Tukuma and I'm in grade 5B. My favorite song is Raw by Katy Perry. I don't know it all. This next song might be your favorite too. Ngeba siyathandana, dlalo basithandane silale madungeni. Ngibanjwa nguwe, dlalo basithandane silale madungeni. Gospel, is it fine?
It's fine.
What will I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in, you're kicking me out. Got my head spinning. My name is Khoto. This song is for Kaya. My name is Surprise. Happy holiday to Kaya FM and thank you for everything. We are primary school in Tembisa. Happy birthday, Greg!
Nice, eh?
Oh,
Dope. That is sweet. Yeah, I come on, I'm gonna get blood. Yeah.
Kaya Traffic.
Mntwana bakaGreg kama simply says we don't listen to lyrics of these songs. Sithandana silale emadongeni. Imphethe kuphi? And we have Sunday. Which songs like Peter Sunday? Yalla Santana. Igama lami thini cana ungidlala ngamathi ngicela ungiblow. Yeah.
And what's happening in traffic? Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. Hanging out with Skumba. And he had a wonderful time in Durban, meeting Sarafina and all that kind of stuff.
Hey, bro, guess what happens here?
Yeah.
I don't know how says Kulumela Labanda Mamelang. I get a tweet from Usislele Tukumar. You left out a very good looking 66-year-old. Thank you very much. This is out in Durban listening. Hello, hi. Dangdala.
Well, back at you, hey? Back at you.
I'm available. I'm going to fight you dress. Like, what's a gym dress?
That was not funny.
Oh, yeah, that's why you laugh.
Ngiyawari intanga zakhe phela ngikhuluma nge-age group yakhe ngila kule age group ngila ku Sis Miriam phela uprobo bekabiza umama Miriam Makeba ngo hey bekambheka athi hey Mary uGrand asibe busy ngaphatha uzimrema Bob yazi last time kwenzakala na hey Mary Brahim asekela lokubheka athi wena son wena into sami les I'm not going straight to hell let's just get like Satan but I don't know who hey Mary it's a party pride man Bob and uma Miriam bekambiza ngami lakhe lesuthu khomuntu uyazi last time sakugcina kwenzakala nangithi
On Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. Guess who just dropped a new album? And let me show you the picture right there on my phone. He came through to the studio.
How about a couple of Zinjala?
Yeah.
Mapaputsi.
Yep.
Ah, nice.
He just came in to drop his album here at Kaya, and I was chuffed. I really was.
I'm getting bored of it. Yauziamupa umapaputsi right angene yapapa mapaputsi engangchacha Khotmane sharp Khotmane chop
Mapaputsi is not a Khorotmane, man.
Oh mapaputsi mdala of it
No. Mapaputsi is not Khorotmane. You know what I don't understand about this whole thing, and I was talking to T-Boss about it. You know, those kids were singing for Greg.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Greg. T-Boss's callers Ntate Mokwele. My callers, Uncle Bob. Who's older here in this whole thing?
Angithi lalela ngithi le older kuya ngokuthi ngibheka kanjani khuluma into wrong isho something wrong uzobona No, Greg all dathi ayikho into ethi ungibheke ngale ndlela khona manje yami. Ngithe dathi nami ngisamkhulisa weza ngithi dathi.
You know what? We give up, eh? No, I give up. There's too many titles. That's T-Boss, this is Bob, and that's Greg.
Yeah, mara Greg is to.
Mara ole ke Brahma Paputs.
Noma Willis iTombstone yakhe ibhale Brahma Willis. Aloka ngekho. Awasibhakane emabhoko igogotelo. Namazi baba Willis chibade sani makhonza fe. Willis bawubona ukuthi vela ka sena banana emabhoko. Matsong.
When you say people take matters into their own hands, you must be careful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Forget it's a Friday. I forget it's a Friday.
Taking their matters basibambe ngawo but thatha amameta umuntu athatha amameta ubeke ezandleni zakhe athi imeta yami. Taking matters into your own hands. Umuntu angena usasebhizi ngemeta yakho in your own hands. Athi wenza ukuthi I'm taking matters into my own hands. Nyazenzela. This is a matter. These are my hands. So I'm taking this matter. Nyazenzela. That's nyazinisele lingadi. This is a matter at hand. Can you imagine it that? The matter at hand. It is the matter at my hands. When nobody is around, I take this matter into my own hands. Yes, Denzel. Oh, gosh. And Savant. The
My brother.
And I won't come down to matter because I didn't this thing of the matter, this is I can take a matter into their own hands. They can take it into their own fingers.
On Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. Please don't forget, you got to hang out with Georgie in the afternoon. He's got an interview with Shantae Savage, remember her? And that's on a feature, Where Are They Now? That's with Georgie in the afternoon. What are you up to this weekend, man?
I'm off to Mafikeng, Mafikeng with David Carr.
All right.
We're doing more jokes and it's a Chevrolet. Next week we're doing Rustenbeck. And then we do Kimberley and then I take a break.
Also, Ukapu David, go up.
Samba song.
Okay.
Yeah, Sam.
I can take Hago Boy.
Hey, such a people being very no more.
Why?
I'm a bandita but gents, what's my melody, gents? Oh, all of a show, I think there's Babusana. Boom, gents. Move valak, vale, don't language, I was a jail. And your time I got 6 rand. Yo, 6 rand. That's been adding in 6.4 million. It's jelly lamb, I'm shite.
6 rand.
Onyidamfana kumele technique washela ngigcoke abantu basijele bakhuthele bra pop athi ayinelincaza silale phezukwayo nje for a day. I don't have a day lana mina.
Have a fantastic weekend, Scooby.
Wanna do that YouTube bra pop sihlangana khona uNkulunkulu abena drive safe shem yazi.